Your view of God is totally different. For if you go now, let's cut to Musa ungakafiki. Musa kaNkulunkulu. Uthi umhlabelelo sakho la uthi sengawuthola mina. Ungawuthola nawe. Your injustice. Uthi siphume ku-2025 siye ku-2026 ungakawuthathanga Musa. Celebrate I think it's steps of God before you can celebrate with one day Musa. Ngoba lithi iBhayibheli uma lo Musa sowufikile uzofundisa 2 years ago futhi kawana. Number 1, lithi uzofundisa to deny ungodliness. Awusifundele wena. Umusa ofundisayo. It teaches us. Amanye version has what the grace trains us. It's training into enzima. It's training into ebuhlungu. Uyabona umkhaba omkhulu semncane manje business training. Ngoba training into ebuhlungu. Uthatha isikhathi. Kodwa umusa kawufika uyatraina to say no to ungodliness. Hayi. Ngithini amen. Musa kawufika uyafundisa to deny worldly lust, the desires esifuna inyama yakho zalomhlaba. Athi uphonya utuba umzimba wami ukuba masengishumayele kangaka kungatholakali nemanyaleni. Yini into ekwenza ukhona ukubambela na umusa. It teaches us. Ubona siJesu sifundiswa umusa. Ithini amen. Sifundiswa yini? Umusa. You won't find a perfect Christian, but you'll find a Christian osemseni olungiselela ukuthi umusa umfundise ukuze utafike ku maturity. The grace of God. Uma lo Musa sokufundisile. Verse number 12. The grace of God teaches us to say no to ungodliness, to say no to worldly lust. Bese lo Musa masokufundisile uyakutransforma. Ithini amen. Uma lo Musa utransforma bese uba ne self control. Life grande bese ngifunda. Bese lo Musa masokufundisile lezinto uba nani self control. Kunabantu mfundisi umkhawani bane skill bane knowledge bakabana character abatasheli. Ithini amen. Kubanani bane skill bane knowledge abana character abatasheli. Bese kunabazalwane abane character abangana knowledge abangana skill futhi. Ithini amen. And for your life to balance, you need a skill, you need a character, and you also need the knowledge. Now the grace of God will teach you in self-control. Kunentuka isikhathi ngaso ku-2025 asikwazi ukublame usathane kwakuye kudisplay thina ngoba i-character besinganayo. Abanye sine character sinwele kodwa sina skill. Ithini amen. Uma kubuthi bakaJosepha beza iGibhithe ufundiswa isiBhayibheli ufakazanga kuthi uJoseph imibuzo eminingi. What is their occupation? Yini skill abanaso na? Ithini amen. The grace of God teaches you self-control. It teaches you to live upright. It teaches you to be a person of integrity. It teaches you to be a godly person. That is the grace of God. Amen. See, till 2026, it's a year of grace. And the only people who are going to survive in 2026